That's real true beliefs.
This is Stroud. Power's out in Stroud. Very strong winds. Power's out. Another traffic light with the power out here in Stroud. Here in northeast Innisfil. Tree down across 10th line. Wow.
Check that out on the way back.
Yeah, on the way back we'll have to check it out.
Really heavy downpour out
Yep. Low visibility. Strong winds here in Stroud.
Put your window down, catch you to the side if you can. Going down. I don't want to go underneath.
That's fine. Yeah, it's going. Woof. Yeah. Whoa.
Look at this idiot here. Shit, did you see that?
Yeah, that was close.
Wow.
I smell it too.
High voltage wire down.
Yep.
Man. This is real.
Some more strong winds near Highway 89 and Young Street.
Put your windows up.
I don't want to get it wet anymore. Tree down in Stroud. Tenth line just west of Young Street.